Revit 2019.1 includes a set of enhancements to perspective views that dramatically improve the modeling process in 3D views. In behavior consistent with orthographic view, when orienting a 3D view or perspective view to an elevation, section, or floor plan, the view orients to that camera position and the section box is activated and cuts the model. When you duplicate a perspective view, all relevant view attributes such as camera position and zoom are now transferred to the new view. Now, locked perspective views cannot be rotated or the camera moved. The Zoom in Region tool moves the camera instead of zooming on an uncropped perspective view. This allows Zoom in Region to be used as a navigation tool. The Reset Crop Region tools enable crop visibility so you can see the result of your changes. The crop becomes visible to provide feedback on the result. The behavior of the keyboard modifier for Orbit, Pan, Zoom has been refined. You can switch between Orbit and Pan using the center mouse button and the Shift key. Panning and navigation in uncropped perspective views is now more responsive and faster. Thanks to these improvements, you can work easier and faster with perspective views.